is Roha Arif. I am here for TOEFL Propel Workshop. We have the decreased time of TOEFL exam. There are several activities on which we are working. There are many teacher trainers whom I actually met and have a lot of great time with them.
Hi, my name is Hareem Arif and I'm the facilitator for the TOEFL Propel Workshop today. This is the second workshop that we're holding in Pakistan, in Lahore, and teachers are very excited to get to know about the exam and how they can teach that because a lot of students are now coming towards taking TOEFL test.
My name is Azim Sarfraz. I'm an assistant coach and I am here for this IBT TOEFL workshop, and it's great. ICDS is offering this workshop for the ones who want to be trainers and get some insight, information and knowledge and in-depth, details about what TOEFL is about. And yeah, that's great.
Hi everyone, this is me Kanza Shiraz. I am the ETS approved IBT Propel trainer, and today we are conducting the second workshop in Lahore. We have a lot of people who have come from distance, like about 6 hours of traveling. So we're really excited about this Propel workshop, and there's a lot of activities that are going on.
This is Dr. Usama Qureshi. We are conducting the second TOEFL IBT Propel Workshop here in Lahore in PC Hotel. And in this workshop, we are updating about the recent changes in the TOEFL exam, and we are also providing technical and academic support to all of these organizations who are promoting TOEFL exam. This second Propel workshop will also be followed by a series of other workshops in Karachi and Islamabad as well. So we are hoping to regularly conduct this workshop to update the stakeholders about the TOEFL exam. So ICD is the ETS preferred partner in Pakistan, and we are hoping that these workshops will obviously prove to be very fruitful and helpful for the language teachers, for educational advisors and similar other capacity people who are guiding the students for admissions abroad and for scholarship applications.